No matter where we are or what we are doing, we have our smartphones with us. We use our smartphones while we are shopping, while we are driving, and while we are working. In fact, in the last 24 months, the number of people accessing the internet with smartphones has more than doubled. These impressive trends in smartphone growth show no signs of slowing down. By 2014, 133 million people will be using smartphones. Also, did you know that 50% of all web searches take place using mobile devices? A question we may need to ask ourselves is, how does this impact my ability to sell homes? For starters, let's take a look at your current website and how it displays on a smartphone. Because most websites were not designed for smaller screens, the text may be very small and unreadable. The navigation may feel sluggish or may not work at all. Now, smartphone users are not very patient. If your website takes, let's say, 10 or 15 seconds to load, your prospects will move on to other listings and other websites. You may be losing prospects and you may not even know it. With a mobile application, your listings will display in a manner that is consistent with other smartphone applications. The information will be easy to read, the navigation will be touch-friendly, the pages will load instantly, and they can call you by tapping a Call Me button. By adding a QR code to your real estate sign, smartphone users can scan it and instantly get your mobile application. This turns your real estate sign into a kiosk that delivers information instantly to prospects that are driving by. Did you know that real estate signs that contain QR codes and mobile keywords generate 3 times the activity when compared to standard signs? Every time someone scans your QR code or requests information using a keyword, you will know it and the mobile application captures the lead information for you. The remaining portion of this presentation will walk through the process of creating a free mobile application using Divmo. There are 7 steps in the process, and it only takes about 5 minutes. The first step in the process is to go to www.divmo.com and select the free trial option. The next step in the process is to fill out the registration form. In the referral promo field at the bottom, you want to type in Divmo Free in all capitals with no spaces. In the next step, we will select the type of industry that you are in. The default is real estate. After we select that, we will select Save and Continue. For real estate sites, there are some additional details that are needed. You want to put in the name of the city and the state that you practice real estate in. After you complete the forms, you will be taken to the dashboard for the new mobile application you just created. The header library allows you to select from a library of headers that appear along the top, or you can upload your own. With the dashboard, you can skip around by selecting the options on the left so that you can always come back to this area if you need to. The Agent Setup section can be set up to pull your listings automatically based on your name, city, and state. The search results are shown below. Click on the Select link next to the name to establish a link between your new site and your listings. The Search Agent option provides the ability to search the internet for your listings based on your name and location. You want to check off the listings you want to add to your site and then select the Add button. Now, if you have problems using the Search by Agent option, you can use Search by MLS to add listings based on MLS numbers. After adding your listings, the system will allow you to preview your mobile application. You can make changes, add more listings, and preview it at any time by selecting the option from the menu on the left. Now that we have created your mobile application, the next step is to make it available so that prospects can access it. So the first thing we want to do is select Set Up QR Code, and then we want to right mouse click on the QR code image and save it to our desktop. We want to email the QR code image to the sign company and ask them to create a rider sign for you that you can attach to the top of your existing real estate signs. Your QR code points to your mobile application. Your mobile application contains all of your listings. Once you put your QR code on all your signs, you can reuse the signs on new listings without having to create new QR codes or order new signs. So basically you can reuse the same signs and QR codes over and over again. Let's say you are on the phone with a prospect or a client and you want to send them information about your properties. If they have a smartphone, you can simply enter in their smartphone into the system and it will send an SMS text message to their phone. The text will contain a link to your mobile site. This way they have detailed information, GPS, and map directions to your properties. You can do this from your desktop or from your smartphone. Another alternative to QR codes involves mobile keywords. With mobile keywords, a mobile phone user can text a keyword, for example John Doe, to 99000, and they can instantly receive a text with a link to your mobile application. Smartphone users using Google and other search engines to search for properties on their phone. By having a mobile website, your listings will appear higher in the search rankings because Google can determine if your site is mobile friendly or not. Having a .mobi domain will give you additional exposure and better results. There's also the option to install a redirect script on your existing domain so that all smartphone users are directed to your mobile app and not your non-mobile friendly website. Divmo offers a free service that is subsidized by a Divmo advertisement that appears at the top of the screen. Other than the advertisement, your mobile application will be fully functional. Let's now compare the two services side by side. As we mentioned before, both services are fully functional and they both include QR codes. There are a few features that are included in the price of the paid service. For example, with the paid service, the advertisement is removed, you get one mobile keyword, you get a .mobi of your choosing, and we also provide assistance in setting up the redirect scripts. The cost of the service is $25 per month if it's prepaid for the entire year in advance. If you have additional questions, feel free to visit our website at www.divmo.com. Thank you.